In 2019 BC, I mean to say 2019 before Corona, whenever I come to home, my mom used to give me delicious food. My sister used to tell me whatever happened in her college, and my father used to talk to me for a lot of time. But because of lockdown of phobia, I'm missing every single thing. Working from home made my life so good. Apart from that, it made my life so miserable. Hello guys, this is Santosh Nimani. Today I'm going to talk about how this lockdownophobia is attacking my life. So it is so funny topic, but still this topic is to be emphasized. First of all, let us talk about what is lockdownophobia. It's simple. Whenever you feel that why I'm doing this, whenever you feel down, whenever you are irritated for small things, whenever you are getting sleep a lot of times, all these are the symptoms for this lockdownophobia. In the meantime, our government is also supporting us by banning TikTok and banning PUBG and all this stuff. So I believe most of the people are there in the same phase like me, that is about lockdownophobia. So let us discuss the three important aspects which can actually make you to come out of this lockdownophobia. The first, the most important thing about social media. So right now I can see a lot of people are getting engaged, a lot of people are getting married, in LinkedIn I can see a lot of people getting certified. A lot of things are happening apart from only traveling and all. Some people who are in abroad, they are traveling to different places around them. But by seeing all this, I am able to connect to my life, what I am doing every single day. So which made me depressed. I am making myself down at that moment. So at that moment what I will do is, I will avoid social media for some time. I will take a break. I will take a break for almost 3 hours or 4 hours. In the meantime, I will go for a walk or some other thing. But I will definitely take a break, because social media is consuming all my energy. So I believe you are also facing the same. Apart from that, the second major thing, if you see people are going, some people are actually doing very good in this lockdown. They are actually learning new skills, and they are able to build their resume and all. Whenever you see that situation, you feel something low, because you can see they are growing, but what you have done, again the question comes, what you have done. So basically that's their priority. If you want, you can also do the same thing. You can also learn new things. But one more important thing is about gratitude. So the second most important thing is about gratitude. So show some gratitude towards whatever is being done till now. So if you have a job in this lockdown, congratulations and thank God for that. And apart from that, if you have at least good food, basically because of this lockdown, we are getting the same food every single day. Probably if you are coming from holiday or somewhere to your home for almost so many days, you will get very good food, right? But still you have some or other food for now to eat. So enjoy the meal. Apart from that, if you want, you can also try. So thank God for that particular thing, whatever is being given to you. Thank God for giving this life. Thank God for giving whatever food you are eating right now. But still, be thankful for that. There are a lot of people who don't have food at this moment. Apart from that, the third most important thing is about learn a new skill. It is not only technical, it can be anything. Learn a new skill such as cooking, that's the best thing. Plantation, or reading a new book, watching your favorite movie again, playing with kids. This is the best way. Actually, I do this, but right now, because of social distancing, I'm not doing that. Let us leave that aside. But these are the things which you can do it inside your home. Apart from that, you can go to your balcony, or you can actually walk on top of your stairs, or you can listen to music. So these are some new things which you can do, or you can meditate, or you can do exercise, but add a skill inside your routine. If you are lazy, then it is making you more worse. Your mental health is going to be more worse in the next coming days, because we are not sure when this lockdown is going to end. That too, specifically who are working from home. I know that how painful it is. Still, it is so blessed that we are actually staying with our family, but still there are some downs even apart from that point, which is been staying with our family, but there are some points which actually should consider as well. That is about our mental health. So these are the 3 must know tips to actually boost your mental health. Apart from that, you can come out of this lockdown of phobia. I even suggest you one more thing. Talk to your parents or talk to your kids and all, and understand what they are facing at this moment, because they are also having a lot of mental distress and depression and all. So talk to them so that you can understand what they are feeling. So that is what according to me, and thank you, and I believe you also will follow this particular pattern of these 3 tips. Thank you guys. I hope you loved this video. If you love this video, please do subscribe to my channel and like my video. Thank you and have a nice day.